All right, so that was just a quick clip on my Mercedes with failing h.I.d bulbs. The light output is absolutely horrible. So with any make, any model or factory h.I.d bulbs, pull those bulbs out and inspect them. And pretty much what you'll see is something very, very similar to my car's bulbs. You have here where the xenon gas goes right in the middle, which produces that beautiful light, has kind of crystallized over, is crusty in the inside, and there's burning and hazing on the outside of the bulb itself. What your experience is flickering. They may not come on. They may randomly turn off. That's letting you know that they're failing. So about 5 to 10,000 hours, the reduced light starts happening, and they're going to need to be replaced as soon as possible. And I can't stress enough, try to stick with the original factory manufacturer or the dealership bulbs, because the stuff on eBay and online is pure junk. So go ahead and get those replaced.